In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra to a Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to make sure of is that Bluetooth is turned on your PC, and also on your phone that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. And once you make sure of all that, there's a client that you're going to install on your Windows PC or laptop to enable you to screen mirror. So now simply go to a browser, and then in the browser you want to type in www.pcconnect.online. This is what you want to type in, and then hit enter to go to that site and select whether your PC or laptop is manufactured by Tecno or Infinix, or it's any other PC. So for me, I'll select other PC, and I'm going to be able to download my software from here. And once the download is complete, I'll go to that folder, double click on this installer, and it's going to prompt me to install that particular client on my PC. So go through the setup wizard, follow the prompts to install this particular app on your phone. Now, once the installation is complete, I'll close this and I'll simply launch the app from here. So I'll go to the start menu and then type on PC connection. I'll try and find the app. So I'll simply go to the start menu and find PC connection. There you go, and then I'll double click on that to open it, or click on it to open. So let's do that again. Select that, and it's going to be opened on your machine just like that. And now it's going to start searching wirelessly for your phone. So go to your phone or your Tecno phone and select settings, and under settings you want to select multi-device connection and select multi-screen connection, and then select connect to devices. Now it's going to search for your phone wirelessly using Bluetooth, and if it doesn't find any devices, simply tap on research to find it. Or if this process takes too long, simply select this scan to connect option to give you a QR code which you can be able to scan with your phone and be able now to connect to mirror your phone to your PC. Now, another option you have if those two don't work is to simply find a USB cable. So find a USB cable just like this one, and then you want to connect it to your phone just like that. And immediately you're going to have a couple of options pop up, and what you want to do is select the second option, which is the multi-screen connection option, just like that. And now this prompt is going to appear asking you if you want to trust this phone or allow it to connect to your PC. So simply click on allow, and your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra is now going to be displayed or mirrored to your PC. So now any action that you perform on your phone is going to be mirrored on your screen, or your Windows PC screen, just like that. Now, from now on, you can now transfer files using this app from your phone to your PC and from your PC to your phone, which I'll show you how to do in another video. But that's basically how to screen mirror your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra to your Windows PC or laptop. Now, once you're done, simply go back to this client PC connection and quickly just click on disconnect when you're done screen mirroring, and the screen mirroring is going to stop. But that's basically how to do it. Take care and God bless.